Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through creating your own professional resume or CV website using Wix. Whether you're looking to impress potential employers, showcase your experience online, or simply modernize your job application, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek, personalized site that puts your best foot forward. Let's dive right in and get this set up together. So first things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and head straight to your Wix dashboard. This is your command central for building anything on Wix. It's where all your projects live. If you're starting fresh, don't worry, the dashboard is very intuitive and will be your base throughout this process. At the very top left corner of the dashboard, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is how Wix helps you manage multiple sites. Think of it almost like flipping through different notebooks and projects. From here, just click Create New Site. This option is your ticket to starting something brand new, and it's designed to walk you through the process in logical steps. Now, Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create. In the search box, type CV, and you'll see options tailored for resume or CV sites. These templates are specifically designed to highlight your background, achievements, and offer a clean, professional presentation. Select CV Service. This ensures that your site is structured for showcasing your skills and services, so you'll have the right sections built in from the get-go. Next, you'll be prompted to give your site a name. Don't overthink this. If it's for personal use, a simple Jane Doe CV or John Smith Resume works perfectly. If you're using this site as part of a business, like a freelance service, you can type your brand or business name here. This name will appear across your site, so make sure it's something you're proud of. Once your site is named, Wix will ask you to set your default working hours. This might seem more relevant for a business CV, like consultants, freelancers, or anyone offering services through their resume. These hours tell visitors when you're available, and also help schedule any potential meetings or calls. Even if you're only showcasing your career history, setting hours can add a touch of professionalism, so don't skip this step. Now it's time to add the services you offer. This is your chance to specify what you excel at. Maybe you're an expert in graphic design, copywriting, IT consulting, teaching, or any other field. List out each service you want people to know about. This clarity helps visitors instantly see what you bring to the table, almost like the highlights section on a resume. Next, add the staff members. If you're a one-person operation, you might just list yourself, and that's completely fine. But if you're building a CV for a team or small business, you can add multiple people here. It's a good way to let employers or potential clients know about everyone involved, along with their roles and contact info. Wix makes things even more customizable. You'll now see a list of tools you can add to your CV site, such as booking forms, chat, contact forms, or a portfolio section. Take a minute to consider what suits your needs. For most people, a portfolio plus a simple contact form is perfect. Choose the tools that will help you communicate and connect with visitors most effectively, and then click Continue. At this point, you're ready for the fun part. Design. Click Continue to Dashboard. From here, you can proceed to editing and customizing your site's appearance. Change the colors, add your photo, update text, and rearrange sections as you like. Take your time exploring the design features that Wix offers. Remember, your CV site should feel personal and professional, so tweak it until it truly represents you. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've created the foundation of your resume website on Wix. As you keep customizing, don't worry if you need to make changes later. Wix lets you edit whenever you want. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need advice on building out your CV site. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.